Alright, last and final issue, 126 of the actual build. There's those 4 quote bonus issues or whatever I probably won't even do a video on, just building the plutonium little case that sits on the side, but this is the actual final for the vehicle itself. And then we'll get it on display. Show you the setup I got. And I did get a little cover for it, and it's kind of maybe an option for everyone out there, but alright, these little vent pieces here gonna slide in something like that. There we go, all the way in. Go and put the other one in. Ooh, what the heck did I do wrong over here? I'm so dumb. I put these in backwards. Oh, alright. Flip those around. Thanks for everyone that didn't point that out to me on the other vid. Just kidding. A little sweat on myself. Okay. Those two going like that. And now we got these little pieces, these little cowl pieces. How do these go? Looks like they go something like this. There's little knobbies to get on, pop over on each side. And I'm going to screw that in with NP screws. We're almost done. The end of a 3+ year journey. Very near to an end. I said I have that bonus plutonium box and 4 issues that they sent. I'll probably just build it and show it to you later. Maybe show you my display if I don't show you that in this vid. My solution to a clear cover for it, because Eaglemoss didn't provide a clear cover, and it didn't seem likely I was able to get one from over in the UK. I think Model Mods makes one or something like that, but it looked really nice, but I didn't see a way for me to get it here when I punched in my address. Alright, last screw, final screw of the build. Final screw of the build. And we're gonna make this kind of awkward. Savor it. Come on, there we go. That's it. Alright, that secures it down. So this thing is what kind of secures the plutonium platform down. Alright, so I've got the regular plutonium hatch on here, and then you can sub out this Mr. Fusion. So you can take that off and put this in its place. You have to pull these cables off first, and it'll set lower than that. But wow, we are done. We are done. Finally done. Oh man, 3+ years. I got so lucky I got the rest of my kits before Eaglemoss went belly up. You know, I got my last, I think, shipment in just November, December, something like that. Alright, main lights are off. One desk lamp pointing up so we can get enough light for the car to show up on camera and the car lights to show up. Give you a quick look around, look inside. All the dash lights are lit up. Maybe a little hard to see on the camera, but all the time circuits are on. You got the dates in there. We do have the Christmas tree back there, and the flux capacitor is on. This kind of looks really bright in the camera, but I did all the basic lights. I didn't do any of the upgraded stuff. So this is all the Eaglemoss original setup here. There's that red ring around there that's actually lit up. You can tell it's lit up in person. And we'll swing you around this side, give you a passenger view. Those switches in there that are numbered 1 through 6, those little buttons, that's what turns all the lights on. There's a main switch on the bottom, then you can turn your individual light sections on by those. So each one does something. And I just want to thank everybody again that has watched any of these vids. Joey Coz, where are you at? Where are you at? Oh man, I can't believe it's done. Okay. Thanks for watching. Boom.